Hello everyone, welcome back to Research Update Today channel. I'm going to show you how to create a project in Atlas.ti version 9 and how to add documents into that project. So to those who involved with qualitative research, you can use either Atlas.ti or NVivo or any other qualitative software analysis. So first of all, you need to open the software. Okay, and this is the front page of the software. So to create project, you can click this icon, create a new project and name your project. Let's say I want to name it as smoking and add brief description about your project. Smoking cessation intervention, and then click this create. So now you can see that smoking project has been created in this software. So before you can proceed with analysis, you have to add documents. To add documents, you can go to add document, and then you can here you can either add files or folder. So you can add either Word or PDF or image or video. So let's say I want to add my transcripts to be analyzed. So I go to add file and then go to the files and select all and open. So now 6 documents were added into this project. You can check here. So you can open one by one and check document. So let's say if you found any error or typo, you can go to edits and let's say you want to add here or you want to okay, just add here, add, and then once it done, you can exit the mode and save your current documents. So now you can proceed with analysis.